So if you're given 570 millimeters of mercury and asked to convert that to atmospheres, here's how you do that. So we need to know a conversion factor. And the conversion factor we're interested in is 1 atmosphere. That equals 760 millimeters of mercury. So we're going to multiply our 570 millimeters of mercury times this conversion factor. So we want millimeters of mercury to cancel out. So we're going to put the 760 millimeters of mercury down here in the denominator. That way it'll cancel out. And we want to end up with atmospheres. So we'll put 1 atmosphere here in the numerator. Now, when we multiply by our conversion factor here, millimeters of mercury on top and bottom, they're gone. We're left with atmospheres, and that's what we wanted. So 570 divided by 760, that gives us 0.75, and the units are atmospheres. Everything else canceled out, so we know we did it correctly. That's it. That's how you convert 570 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. It's Dr. B. Thanks for watching.